What's good, everybody? It's Michael Aldrich here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com, and in this video we are going to be preparing a room for vinyl plank installation. So we got to clear everything out of this, and it's actually a master bathroom closet, roughly a 7 by 10 area. We're pulling it up, and the former owners of this property made this the litter box basically for their dog Puddles. So as you can see, all those little funky spots all over the rug. The video doesn't even pick up how great it actually is, but super gross room. We got to strip it down, get all the carpet out of there. We're going to get the padding out of there, pull the tack strips, prep the floors, and then do a vinyl plank installation, which I will shoot a follow-up video showing the install of that. So we're just rolling up the carpet, getting in the manageable sections. We're going to pull the padding out, and because of all the pet urine that was in this room, we will probably seal the floors as well. And what we mean by that is we take Kilz primer and we paint the floors to go ahead and get rid of any odors or anything like that that can be in the flooring. So yeah, once all this padding's up, we're going to go ahead and get a hammer and pry bar, and we'll start pulling the tack strip around the perimeter. And I'll give you a close-up of that shortly so you can see how we handle that. And then on top of that, we have to get rid of all the staples on the floor because those actually can show through on the vinyl planks. But all we're doing is taking a pry bar, and everywhere the nail head is in the tack strip, we just tap it with a hammer and pop it out. You can see I'm doing it at lightning fast speed here, so you can barely keep up with me. So we'll go into another video where we slow it down just a little bit. To me, it's totally boring popping these out, so that's why I fast forward all the videos to go right through it. But wood subfloor, and the reason we're not using a shovel to break these out, because many times the nails will stay in place and the wood pops out and you just break it up. So in my experience, it's easier just to take a pry bar and a hammer, tap it out where the nail heads are, and then you pop out the whole strip, and it's minimal work you got to do going back through on everything. And then we're going to pull all the staples and we'll be good to go. Are you still operating and running your business without a website? It's time to go ahead and let the world know you exist. Let's expand your business and your lead capture options, and drop by onlineflippingformula.com. Get a 14-day free trial of Lead Pages and expand and grow your business today. It's the easiest drag and drop templates you could possibly use. onlineflippingformula.com.